Okay. We'll come back to Sanju Verma in just a few moments. Dr. Ranganathan, how do you view this?
No, Rahul, look, unfortunately in this country, a Dalit lynched by a Muslim mob is considered a suicide, not murder. But if it was the other way around, it would not only be a murder of the victim, but of democracy and justice itself. This is how the gangrenous cabal of propagandists have twisted the narrative. While Jai Meme is unconditional, Jai Bhim is conditional upon the perpetrator not being a meme. We have seen this play out almost every day since 2014 by these selectivists who claim they speak truth to power, but power to them is always Modi, even when hate crimes happen in non-BJP ruled states. Even now, Rahul, they will try and convince you that this was not a communal hate crime. So what qualifies as a communal hate crime has now been reduced to media's own judgment. The mob didn't know that the victim was a kafir. Or are you going to demarcate the ire into religion and non-religion components? First 5 minutes, it was a non-religion component. Then the next 10 minutes of lynching was a religion component. Take the case of Palgha. The ready identification of a saffron-clad sadhu is not enough. What if instead the victim was a skull cap wearing sherwani-clad bearded Maulana brought out by the UP police and gifted to the lynchers with a BJP minister looking on? Would the media still have maintained it as a non-communal crime? Hell no. Rahul, you can't cure these propagandists. They are like the Rakt Beej. Their every drop of blood spawns more of the same. They have been silent on more than 170 Muslim mob hate attacks on Hindus, Dalits and non-Dalits over the past 2 years, including Bharat Yadav, who was lynched after being called a kafir, including in Ranchi, where a Muslim mob segregated bus passengers based on their religion before wanting to set it on fire, including vandalizing a temple in Delhi while chanting Allahu Akbar and Narae Takbir, including lynching Gangaram because he dared to file a police complaint when his daughter was abducted, including going on an arson and murderous rampage in Bangalore over alleged blasphemy by Dalit, including breaking Ambedkar statue, running amok with sports, trashing Dalit families after they objected to a Dalit girl, Sarita, being assaulted by a Muslim, including nearly lynching a Dalit, Jayanti Bhatti, for daring to wear a Pathan suit, threatening to kill him if he wears it again. None of these attacks, Rahul, just 10 seconds, elicit any outrage. Right from the fake church attacks narrative and running selective hate trackers to multiple stories of fake Jai Shri Ram slogan triggering, they have perfected selective outrage. So we know who Akhlaq was, but do we know who was Bhanu or Khitaram Bhil or Sanjay Rathod or Vidhu Jain or Ayub or Farooq or Bharat? But now Indians have seen through this propaganda. They really have.
Okay, seen through this propaganda. Sanju